Morning. Well, this is the morning before the storm, and judging by the speed that cloud is moving, things are starting to hot up. So that's the before shot, and we'll try and show you a bit during, if it's safe to look out the windows, and we'll show you it after. We'll just have to stow the last few things away today and secure the animals. Ominous, I think, is the word. Ominous. Alright, Emma, what's this process?
So the nodding sedge that we picked in the forest the other day, it's been drying for a couple of days on a tray. Mainly just really to let all the insects get out of it. You may find the odd one. So what we do is we just roast it in the pan until
it looks a bit like toasted jeera, doesn't it? Yeah.
It does, and it starts to make a popping sound.
Like toasted jeera does, yeah, same thing, it's a seed, isn't it?
You get a nice smell. And then once it's all nice and brown, don't stir in too fast, just gentle.
And when it gets brown, you grind it?
Cool it down and just grind it.
Into a flour, like a flour, yeah. So it becomes a seed flour, nice.
Go on then, but don't spill them.
And how you use it is you just add bits of it to other flours, don't you? Like you'll add
like in the bread.
I've seen you do it. You add a tablespoon here, a tablespoon there of different.
If you had lots of it, you could use it
as a flour.
But you would go through it in no time with lots.
Well, it is a grain. I mean, most of the wild grains
the bread I made yesterday, I had a handful of it in.
Most of the grains we use today came from wild grains, didn't they?
Has some of the whole grain. I just picked a handful of it.
Very nice. Right. So that's Emma. She's cooked down some tomatoes with some garlic, onions, and basil. And I tell you, boys and girls, that smells so good. And now she's just blending it all up. It's a nice soup to help us get through this storm.
Yep, and we've got the hair too. So
we've got some hair.
That's good.
And we got a hurricane coming.
Out the window.
It's not looking too bright out there, boys and girls. And we've got all sorts of warnings coming over the radio too. So, this is the next process, isn't it? In the sedge.
Yeah, we just I use the baby bullet.
So you've allowed it to cool.
Yeah, it's cold now. Otherwise, it gets condensation and it'll go bad.
All right, I understand. Yeah. So it has to cool down before you grind it.
So I put a milling blade on.
Yeah.
And this is very loud. It just goes in the baby bullet.
And it's ground to a flour. So let's have a look at that. Awesome.
And it smells.
Let's have a sniff.
Like popcorn.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? Boys and girls, that smells like popcorn.
And all we do, I'll get a funnel because it makes it easier if I can. So we don't waste any. I just use a funnel just to. Yeah, and we just put it in the jar and repeat the process.
That was a miller's sneeze, that was, wasn't it?
It was. Some of the
and
stuff,
then we just,
just repeat it until it's all done.
And how long will that keep now, Em? Or does it? You never find out?
Well, it's the first year I've done it.
Yeah.
Ideally, I should keep it in the freezer.
Yeah.
So that'll be an experiment, I suppose, if it goes off or not. Just being stored, I wouldn't know how long it would keep.
It'd probably store better as whole grain like this, I would think.
And also, because I haven't got much,
yeah,
it's not going to last very long anyway.
No, so, and she does use it every day, don't you?
Yeah, pretty much every day.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
I need to find another source of it. So, it smells really fresh.
Really nasty, but early doors yet. There's more to come, more and harsher. Emma's just cutting up the cheese and toast for our meal. Very nice it is too. Homemade bread, some lovely local cheese. It's all good.
There we are. We can go and get our dinner.
Nice.
There, done.
That's cheddar, local cheddar, isn't it?
Yes.
Really gorgeous. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.